In this video, we learn how to go to our publisher page or company page in Google Play Store. Create a new method. Open publisher page in Google Play and pass two parameters, a context and a string, which is the publisher name, and use a try and chat try for when Google Play is installed on user device. Use a start activity, a new intent, action view, and URI.parse. And pass market, search, geo equals to pub, and colon and or publisher name. And a chat. This code may throw an activity not found exception, which we chats it. And if Google Play is not installed, we want to open a browser. So use a start activity agent and pass action view URI.parse and the address of Google Play Store. And pass or publisher name. Now use this method in a glitch event of a button and pass context and a publisher name. I just add my own publisher name, which is a Shaw app, and run the app. And by clicking on this button, we go to our publisher name in Play Store. Thank you for watching.